having some breakfast. It's like cheese and some meat. I think it's turkey. Yes, and some Dutch cheese actually. So that's quite funny. Some milk and stuff. And the bread. The bread is much better than I'm used to in the Netherlands, because our bread is like full of air and has a lot less of fiber than the bread has right here. So yeah, it's quite cool, quite tasteful. Yeah, we have an amazing view in the kitchen area, and I will show you around the house, around where I live. So this is my view from my dining area, which is nice. For there you have IKEA Center. So about that way, and that white thing over there, that's the river we saw yesterday in yesterday's video. So this was the kitchen. Now we'll be leaving for my room. These are two showers, really big showers. That one also. And right here you have my room, which you already saw on the first day in IKEA video. This is the view I have from my room of IKEA. So this is the building which I'm staying in. The room is on the 7th floor. And now I'm walking to the university, still with my normal shoes. Definitely got to buy some good shoes around here. Look at how beautiful this is compared to the Netherlands. This is winter wonderland. Okay, today we are at the IKEA to grab some stuff, and they have in the Netherlands we have fake video games in the rooms and stuff, but here they do trust the people, I think, because they do have actual video games on the demo things. It's really cool. Yeah. Yeah. Just enjoying playing some video games in the IKEA is a bit strange. I'm not familiar with that, but it's quite cool. And it's a lot cheaper than it's a lot cheaper to buy things here than in town. So IKEA's compared to other stores, it's cheaper. It's strange because in the Netherlands it's usually a bit more expensive than some other stores. But yeah, we bought a lot of stuff at IKEA. Bought some shoes. As I showed you this morning, my previous shoes weren't that good, but these are. So they will definitely come in handy with the snow all around here. Yeah.
Yeah.